So in this video, you'll learn how to connect or how to pair an Xbox controller to your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step when it comes to connecting your Xbox controller to your tablet is to simply open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, you want to tap on Connections and then select Bluetooth. Under Bluetooth, you want to ensure that Bluetooth is currently enabled and active. So from here, you now want to put your controller in pairing mode. To do that, first press on the Xbox button to switch it on. And then once it's been switched on, you then want to locate the button at the very bottom of the controller here. And then you want to press on it until this light starts blinking rapidly. Once it's done that, it means it's in pairing mode. So the next step is to simply tap on Scan in your Bluetooth settings and wait for your Xbox controller to be detected. Once it's been detected, tap on it to start the pairing process and then confirm that you wish to pair to the controller. From here, once the light stops blinking, it means that it's been paired successfully with your tablet. So now you'll notice if I try to navigate using any of the joysticks on the Xbox controller, you can see things being selected or highlighted, which means that I've successfully connected it. So if I ever want to select something in my settings menu, I can just scroll down and use the controller as I would normally to select items. And so that's how you can pair or how you can connect an Xbox controller to your tablet. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.